Welcome to the all-new BMW 8 Series. It has big shoes to fill, reviving the iconic nameplate from the 1990s. On first impressions, it definitely seems to fulfill them. The design has a distinct bad boy theme to it, like a Batmobile. It's very low, with short pillars providing an almost chop-top-like profile, and a long grandeur bonnet following tradition. For now, the M850i is the flagship variant, before the proper M8 comes along. But don't be fooled, this is a comprehensively prepared performance machine. There's dedicated M Sport brakes, adaptive M Sport suspension, and a clever M Sport all-wheel drive system. Being a flagship model, the cabin is filled with everything BMW has to offer. Up on the dash is a widescreen media display, and the driver gets a matching widescreen digital instrument cluster. On the console, you'll notice the gear shifter and iDrive controller are decorated with special glasswork for their elegant touch. Seating space is more than adequate in the front, with plenty of seat adjustment available to suit most body types. Rear seat space is confined, although the space is not completely useless. Children and small to medium-sized adults can find some comfort back here, especially with the roof down. Speaking of which, the electric folding fabric roof can be opened or closed in 15 seconds. With the roof down, the 8 Series obviously stands out on the road even more. Boot space is shallow, but it does stretch back quite deep. You can fit a number of soft bags in here, but not much in the way of solid bulky objects. Under the bonnet is a newly developed 4.4 litre twin-turbo V8. On paper, the specs look very good, but in the real world, this engine is seriously savage. The acceleration is mind-blowing for this style of vehicle. This is what it goes like.